Hello students, welcome to our SS session. We have already completed 3 spheres of Earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Now the fourth sphere, that is biosphere. The part of lithosphere, the part of hydrosphere or the part of atmosphere where the living being exists, that is known as biosphere. The concept is clear? Okay. It is one of the important sphere on Earth. Biosphere is there only in one planet, that is our Earth. Biosphere includes vegetation, animals, insects and human beings. All living things need food and other many necessary things for their survival. These necessary things we are getting from biosphere. Human beings cannot live without vegetation and animals. Biosphere is divided into two parts. First one non-living and the second one living. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere form the non-living part and plants, animals and microorganisms are included in living world. See the picture. In the picture you can see components of biosphere. In living things you can see human beings, trees, birds, animals, etc. And in non-living you can see factories, roads, building, park, etc. These all are the components of biosphere. Now we discussed many things about all the four spheres of Earth. Children, it is our responsibility to conserve it. If man harms the Earth by his activities, it will affect all those spheres. Human beings knowingly or unknowingly undertake many activities for their development or for their comfort. It causes imbalance in different spheres. Do you know which human activities affect lithosphere? Underground nuclear testing, deep drilling for mineral oil and tube well affect lithosphere. Dumping of waste into water bodies causes water pollution. The oil spills from the ship also create pollution. It leads destruction of marine life, which is dangerous for hydrosphere. Atmosphere is also get polluted due to harmful gases emitted by industries. The areas with the higher frequency of vehicles show increased rate of carbon monoxide in the air. The amount of CO2 means carbon dioxide in the air increases due to the cutting of trees. Heat on the earth increases due to increase in carbon dioxide in air. In this way, human activities affect the biosphere also. Remember, children, save earth and stay safe and happy. Okay, thank you.